What is going on, traders? Welcome to Celestian Capital. Thank you guys for tuning into this brand new video. Now, this probably isn't the video that you guys are expecting to see. You guys are probably expecting to see episode 5 of the 50K Challenge series, but it's not the case. And as you read the title, yes, it's true. I failed the FTMO Challenge, and I'm actually happy I did. Now, let me explain why. Before I explain why, let me show you guys, let me give you guys a recap of the challenges I've taken. Started with the 10K challenge, past that. Then this is where I started recording myself on YouTube. So I started recording with the 100K challenge. I managed to finish the deadline in profit, which is why you see this repeat. And then eventually I failed, which is what this one is. So I took a repeat, then I failed. All right. After that, I took 350K challenges, which, as you can see, I failed all three. This says ongoing, but I'm going to show you guys the metrics in a second. I didn't pass it. Um, Now, the reason I'm happy I didn't pass these challenges is because I was trading from an emotional standpoint, right? Whenever I would miss a trade, or whenever I would, I would lose a trade, I would get emotional and try to force another trade. And you guys have probably heard the term that trading is a reflection of your lifestyle, and that's completely the case, right? For me, I'm an impatient person. Whether I'm driving, whether I'm doing something, I like to do things very quickly, and I for some reason that translated into my trading. That came into my trading, right? I would try to pass a challenge in a day, or within the 10-day uh challenge period they give you, the 10-day minimum trading days they give you. I would try to pass it within that time, not realizing that I was forcing trades. I was forcing trades that weren't there, that didn't align with my strategy, that went against my strategy completely, just so I can hurry up and finish these challenges. And as you can see, it did not turn out well. And I want to give you guys some tips that can help you, hopefully going forward, um, that can help you to pass your challenges. Because as they say, a smart man learns from his own mistakes, but a wise man learns from the mistakes of others. So I want to show you guys my mistakes, and hopefully you guys can take these and do the opposite. So let's tap into this, the metrics of this last challenge that I took. As you see, what happened? Okay. As you see, everything was failed. Even the minimum trading day, which is wow, which is crazy. But here's where we started off. We started off obviously at zero. Then the first day, the first episode you guys saw, episode one, you saw me make 1,500 bucks in like 5 minutes on US 30, which was US 30 buy. It was episode one of this 50K challenge series. And then from there, this is where my ego came in. I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be quick. I'm gonna quickly pass this challenge. It's gonna be no effort. I'm just gonna do the same thing, make another 1,500, probably risk even a little more in order to pass this challenge as soon as I can. My ego came in here. And then as you see, that's where everything just started going downhill. Everything went downhill. I managed to get back at break even, but then same thing happened. Ego came in. Ego came in and it completely wiped me out. So the crazy thing is that I was taking trades, as I told you guys before. I was taking trades that weren't even in line with my strategy, just so I can either finish the challenge quickly when I'm up, or to get back in profit when I'm down. And as you see, it didn't work out for me. It did not work out at all. Hopefully, you guys can take that and understand that you shouldn't trade from an emotional standpoint. Do not trade from an emotional standpoint. I've been learning over the past few days to keep your wins, to feel the same way about your wins and losses, right? You don't want any emotions. You don't want to get too happy when you win. You don't want to get happy when you win, nor do you want to get down or sad when you lose. Because this is what's gonna happen. When I was winning, I got extremely happy, I got extremely confident, I got egotistical, and then the trade humbled me, right? And that's the thing about failing these challenges. They humble you. They teach you a good lesson, right? They teach you what not to do. If you're up, stay. What's the word I'm looking for? Stay neutral. Don't get too happy. when you're up, so that when you lose a couple trades, you don't get too sad, right? So I hope you guys can learn from this. I hope this made sense to you guys. And I just want to give you guys a quick a couple of psychological tips that can help you. For one, as I told you guys before, do not trade from an emotional standpoint, right? Number two, if you guys lose a trade, step back, get off the charts for a little bit for a couple minutes, take a quick breather, and get your head back on your shoulders. Get your mind space right before you take the next trade. For me, I was completely forcing trades. Whenever I would lose a trade, I would quickly look for a next one, quickly look for the next trade without even clearing my mind before I hopped into that next trade. So think about it. If you lose a trade, you're already, or if you're an emotional trader and you lose a trade, you're already sad, right? So operating from a place of from these lower vibrational emotions are going to force you to do things that you shouldn't do. Are going to force you to do things that you normally wouldn't do if you were in the right headspace. So that's why I'm telling you guys to step back, observe yourself, observe your emotions. Make sure you tell yourself that you are in control of your emotions, because this is the biggest thing about trading: emotions, right? The charts, the market makers are gonna just mess with your emotions. That emotions are gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be a roller coaster, right? So you want to take a step back. You want to think logically, right? Think logically. Don't think from a standpoint of your emotions. Think logically about what you're going to do, the next trade that you're going to take. Do not let your emotions decide for you. You decide for yourself. You use your brain and decide for yourself if the next trade that you're going to take fits in your strategy, fits in the plan, fits in the setup that you have for yourself. All right, so that's the second tip that I want to give you guys, and I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. I hope you guys understood what not to do in trading, because as you guys see, it is not going to go well if you do not master yourself, if you do not master your emotions, if you do not master yourself. As I told you guys, do the inner work, guys. I've been watching a couple of Sean Lee videos, and he's one of my favorite traders just because of the psychological side of himself. Um, he says that forex is simple. The hardest part is the psychology. Technicals is about 5 to 10% of trading. The rest is just pure psychology. Just being able to master yourself, being able to discipline yourself, being able to tell yourself, no, I'm not going to get into this trade because it doesn't fit my setup. Even though the trade looks like it may be going your way, the trade does not fit your setup. Do not take it. That's why I'm a big advocate of watching his videos, and he teaches you guys a lot, or he teaches me a lot about psychology and just doing the inner work, just doing things outside of trading that build your confidence, like working out, mastering yourself, reading, meditating, doing all these things to build yourself up. Because once you build yourself up, your trading is going to follow. Your trading has no choice but to follow. Once you build your life up, once you discipline yourself enough to the point where everything you do is structured, everything you do is disciplined, you're eating healthy, you're working out every day, you're meditating, you're doing things to make yourself better. Trading has no choice but to follow that. Trading has no choice but to follow you. All right. So I hope this video made sense for you guys. Again, I'm gonna take a little breather. I'm gonna step back from challenges for right now. I'm gonna be back. Let me go. Let me know if you guys want me to continue to record my FTMO challenges, because I feel like it's getting redundant at this point. I don't know. I may or may not, depending on the feedback that you guys give me. So let me know if you guys want me to continue to record the challenges that I take. All right. So let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see whether or not I want to record myself. I'm most likely going to record myself, because if you guys can see the downside, my downsides, you guys have to see my upsides. If you guys can see me failing, you guys have to see me winning too. So I don't think it makes sense for you guys to see me fail and not show you guys the successes, right? So that's my mindset behind all of this, which is why I keep recording my FTMO challenges. It makes no sense for me to only show you guys my losses. I got to show you guys my wins too. Show you guys the good days, the good times in my life. So, yeah. Again, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned a lot from this. Hope this made sense for you guys and showed you guys what not to do, right? Or or what to do if I said anything good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure you master yourself, and trading will follow. Again, master yourself, and your trading will follow. Peace out, guys.